Why some things last. Persistence is one of the simplest and most important ideas in the universe. It explains why bubbles pop fast, why mountains last forever, and why stars can shine for billions of years. Let's explore how the universe decides what stays and what fades away. 1. What is persistence? Persistence means something stays around long enough to matter. It does not mean it lasts forever. It does not mean it never changes. It simply means it sticks around long enough to leave a mark. Here are some easy examples. A soap bubble lasts a few seconds. A snowflake lasts a few minutes. A tree lasts for years. A mountain lasts for millions of years. A star can last for billions of years. A black hole may last longer than almost anything else. All of these are examples of persistence at different levels. 2. Persistence in everyday life. You see persistence everywhere around you. A sandcastle lasts until the waves wash it away. A high score in a video game lasts until you turn off the console. A memory in your brain lasts because neurons keep their connections strong. Small or big, everything that stays for a while is showing persistence. 3. Persistence in the universe. The universe uses persistence to build structure. Gravity keeps planets in orbit. Atoms stay together and do not fall apart. Galaxies hold their shapes for billions of years. DNA keeps information from parents to children. None of these would exist if nothing could stay put long enough to form something larger. 4. Why persistence matters. Without persistence, stars could not form. Planets could not stay together. Life could not evolve. Memories could not be stored. Nothing interesting would exist. If everything disappeared instantly, the universe would be nothing but noise. Persistence is what lets the universe keep patterns long enough for new ones to grow. Fiber G version. In the PI to CWG way of understanding the universe, persistence is one of the universe's basic skills. It is the ability to hold a pattern long enough for something else to build on top of it. If the universe had no persistence, nothing could ever stack, grow, or evolve. Patterns would vanish before they had a chance to become anything meaningful. 6. A simple picture. Imagine trying to build a tower out of blocks. If each block falls over the moment you place it, you will never build anything. But if each block stays still, even for a moment, you can create something amazing. Persistence is the universe's way of holding each block steady long enough for more to be added. That is how the universe builds stars, galaxies, life, and even your thoughts. 7. Persistence has levels. Some things hold strong for only a moment. Some things last for ages. Different levels of persistence allow the universe to store energy, build atoms, shape planets, grow life, keep memories, form stories, create entire galaxies. Everything you see is the result of a pattern that persisted long enough to become something new. 8. Why some things last longer. Why does one thing last a second and another last a billion years? It depends on how tightly the parts are held together, how strong the forces are, how stable the structure is, how much energy it takes to break it apart, how protected it is from change. Something weak, like a bubble, breaks quickly. Something strong, like a diamond, lasts much longer. Something extremely stable, like a black hole, may last longer than the universe itself. Persistence is a spectrum. 9. Persistence builds the universe. Whenever a structure lasts long enough, gradients can guide it, wells can gather it, energy can organize it, new patterns can grow around it. Persistence is the time needed for creation. No persistence means no patterns. A little persistence means small patterns. A lot of persistence means stars, galaxies, and life. 10. Final thought. Everything that exists today is the result of something that persisted long enough to become real. Your cells persist. Your memories persist. Your family line persists. Your ideas persist as you share them. You are living proof that persistence shapes the universe.